welcome back to my channel. Oh, I can't believe I'm saying that. So you're about to watch my first vlog ever, which is so exciting. I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for a long time, and this is, you know, it's a dream come true, and I'm really excited to be sharing this with you guys. I keep looking up at the monitor. We'll get used to it. But this vlog is back from, I think it was March 14th, so a little bit behind with the editing. Obviously, you know, it's going to take me a while to get used to the process, so I might be a little slow at first with uploading, but I hope to be on a consistent schedule soon. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. If you want to get to know me a little bit more, go ahead and check out my last video. I'll link it somewhere on the screen. And it was just to get to know me, answering some questions, old MySpace survey style. You know, I'm aging myself a little bit there, but it was a lot of fun, and I can't wait to grow this community with you guys. If you could please like and subscribe, that way you don't miss my next videos. And if you could, comment below, tell me your name, where you live, and a dream of yours. So it could be something that you've already accomplished, or maybe a new dream that you haven't been able to achieve yet. That way we can start to connect more and build a little community on this channel. So welcome to my open book, and let's go ahead and go into the book. Morning guys, happy Saturday. We're going to be going to Cracker Barrel for breakfast this morning, and we'll catch you along the way. Okay, so here's my outfit of the day. This shirt with little tassels is from Kohl's. These pants are from Ross. I do have to wear a belt with them though, because they're definitely too big in the waist, but on the legs they fit good, and they're kind of cropped at the ankle. And then these are Bob's shoes from Skechers, but I got them at Rack Room for buy one get one half off. All right, we'll see you at Cracker Barrel. Alright, Josh got the glazed donut latte. Here's the taste test.
Ooh, very sweet.
Is it too sweet?
I mean, it tastes like you dunked a glazed donut into a latte, so.
I don't know about that. You can't come to Cracker Barrel and not get biscuits with fresh apple butter. It's the best.
How's that biscuit, babe? Plenty of apple butter on there. This is what they use for.
You want to show them what we got? Okay, let's do a Cracker Barrel haul.
What you got, buddy?
First we have
Jelly beans.
camo beans.
Jelly beans.
I only bought these because if you bought it, proceeds went to support veterans. If it'll focus. It wants to focus on happy. There we go. Support our wounded veterans. I don't even know what flavors come in this. Let's see. Chocolate pudding, green apple, licorice, juicy pear, orange sherbet, that's my favorite, toasted marshmallow, and watermelon. That's a good assortment actually. Okay. And then we always have to get soda when we go there. First one is butterscotch beer. Then we got Faygo Rock and Rye. What's next? Then we got Caruso's Dark Cream Italian Style Soda. Hopefully Zach will like that one. And then the last one, this is for Josh. She got the brownie caramel cream root beer. Is that it? And now there's a bag for Havoc to play in. Most importantly. And there's Chaos. Hi, Chaos. You wanna come see what we got? Oh, goodness. He's like, no, I just want food. Can you fill up this food bowl, please?
Come on, you got plenty.
He's still a little scared sometimes. But he's a sweet boy.
Hey guys.
Hi. Alright, we're gonna go to the grocery store. Amidst the panic of the coronavirus, we'll see how bad it is at our store. I think in our area it'll be fine, but we'll see. Wish us
we don't
luck.
need toilet paper or meat or
Yeah.
paper towels or you know, anything handy.
But we'll catch up with you guys later.
Yeah. Bye.
Get you a man that does it in one trip, ladies. Okay, we're back from the grocery store. It was definitely too busy to vlog, but I'm gonna do a grocery haul. We ended up going to Aldi and Kroger because Aldi didn't have everything. First, we got one of those take and bake. This is the 5-cheese pizza from Aldi. It was only like $4. We're gonna have that for dinner tonight. And with that, take and bake Italian breadsticks. It comes with garlic sauce and marinara sauce. And then Josh likes to get this Vitality Fit Active cereal. It's basically their version of Special K. We also stocked up on bread. Josh just gets the classic white bread. We got some unsweetened original almond milk. We got some hamburger buns because we already have some burgers we have to use up in the freezer. I got spinach for my morning smoothies. Got some bananas for the morning smoothies. This sounded really good to me. Pineapple strawberry. It's supposed to be, I guess, their version of LaCroix, like the fancier ones. And Josh got some yogurts from Aldi. I think they're only like 30 cents. And then we got some just plain old French vanilla coffee creamer. All that was from Aldi. The next stuff I'm going to show you is all from Kroger. Look who came to help. Havoc. Speaking of Havoc, we got some cat litter. This is the one we use. It's the Tidy Cats 4-in-1. Make sure you get the one with the black lid. We tried the one with the red lid and it did not work as well. Josh got some Gatorades. Got like the worst flavors ever though. Let's see if it'll focus. You got green apple. I gotta make sure my face is out of frame so it'll focus. You got strawberry watermelon. Strawberry watermelon. Oh, this one's the worst. Lime cucumber, which sounds disgusting to me, but I guess we'll see if he likes it. Here's the last Gatorade. We got mango. And we got some barbecue sauce because we're gonna try and make a barbecue pizza. On that pizza, we're gonna make it chicken and pineapple. So we got some pineapple tidbits. And we got the pizza crust. This is just the generic Kroger brand. And some shredded mozzarella. PB&, cookies, Ben & Jerry's, non-dairy. It's supposed to be vanilla with chocolate sandwich cookies and crunchy peanut butter swirls. Then I got some dark chocolate. I usually get Hershey's, but they only had Dove this time. And then Josh was talking about these the other day, so then both of us were craving them. The little Nicot, is that how you pronounce it? Peanut butter crackers. And last but not least, I probably shouldn't have gotten this, but I couldn't resist because it's orange dreamsicle flavor. I've never tried these rain drinks before. It's supposed to be 300 milligrams of natural caffeine, increased concentration, reduce fatigue, B vitamins, BCAAs, and electrolytes. Supposed to be 0 grams of sugar. We'll see how I like it. And I think that's everything. I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye. How he manages to sleep through all that, I will never understand. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So we need to spend our morning before going to church reading our daily walk. We're just a little bit behind. Today is March 15th. And we're only on February 27th right now. And we have to finish this by 8:45, and it's currently 7:30. Wish us luck. We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming. What are you doing?
You see him?
You're not a book. No, don't eat that.
Jeez. Come on, man. Come on. No, don't get fussy. Don't get fussy. Come on, die. Really?
He has like 1 square foot of space to move.
Okay.
Oh,
well,
he's angry now.
You enjoy yourself.
Okay, update. We did not do all the reading, but we're running late and we need to run out the door like now. Got coffee and water in hand. Let's go to church.
From the people, they were not allowed to be around other people. And the other problem is that many times they felt that a leper got leprosy because they were sinful. And so there was this characterization, this condemnation.
Hey guys. Alright, so we're back from church. And I feel like I didn't do a good enough job earlier of explaining the devotional reading we were doing this morning. So it's called the Daily Walk Bible, and what it does is it has a certain number of chapters that you read every day, so that by the end of the year you'll have read the entire Bible. So at our church, the hour before, the usual sermon and worship, you have a choice of what Sunday school you want to do, and this is the one that we picked. And you're supposed to do a little bit of reading every day, but like I showed you earlier, we were very much behind. And we definitely did not get caught up this morning. We kind of had to skip certain sections and just read the highlight reel. But now that we're home, we're going to read through everything and make sure we didn't miss anything, so that by next week we'll be all caught up for sure. So we'll catch up with you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, we're going to do some meal prep. We're going to be hard boiling some eggs. I'm going to make some chicken. All I do is I take chicken tenderloins. I whip up the egg, coat it in that, and then coat it in some breadcrumbs. I'm going to put it on this plate while the air fryer heats up. And then it just goes in the air fryer for about 20 minutes. These are the breadcrumbs I use. Just panko breadcrumbs, and then I'm gonna put some Badia complete seasoning in there. And Havoc's helping too. Hey Havoc, you gonna help?
Alright guys, this is Paige getting the chicken all breaded up.
Yeah, I'm trying to do a whole one hand wet, one hand dry thing, but I never do it right.
It doesn't ever work. And you're not using the pretzel rub this week, right?
No, I need to get some on Amazon. You can show them the one I usually use.
Okay, this is just the panko
Yeah.
this week. Let's see what we got here. I'm not going to show you inside the cabinet because it's a mess. But we've got this stuff here. If it'll focus, we got Dot's Homestyle Pretzel Rub.
Courtesy of Simply Nander on YouTube.
Yeah.
She recommended that and it's really good.
It's awesome.
I just have to get it on Amazon because they don't sell it anywhere near here.
It's not bad though. You get 2 or 3 bangs.
It was like $10.
And it was like $10. It lasted us a while. But this is the nasty part, so we'll show you guys the aftermath later. And I'm telling you, this thing here, this air fryer is fantastic. Takes half the work out of cooking and does a great job.
Yeah, Josh got me that for Christmas. We've
Yeah.
been obsessed with it.
Yep, it's great, especially for side dishes. You throw some Brussels sprouts in there or asparagus or something like that. Give them 10 minutes or so, and gives it a nice flavor even before you put any sort of seasoning. So, yeah. But we'll be back in a bit with the finished product.
Okay, next I'm going to cut up these bananas and put each one in its own bag to freeze, and I can use them for my smoothies throughout the week. And then Josh is pre-making some protein pancakes that he uses for his breakfast during the week. They are the Kodiak cakes, the chocolate chip flavor. It's got 14 grams of protein. Alright, here are the chicken tenders done. And then Josh's pancakes right there. And then I've got the hard-boiled eggs sitting. It was an ice bath, and now the ice melted. See if I can crack them and put them away. But that's it. Meal prep done. Okay, update. I was failing miserably at peeling the eggs, so Josh had to take over.
It's a mess.
I broke this one.
Yeah, it's a mess. You're gonna have half an egg left when I'm done with this one.
I'm sorry. How does he do it so fast? A true egg shelling expert, ladies and gentlemen.
These things when I was a kid. Grandma would make a big batch of them, and the only rule was I had to peel them.
Ladies, get you a man who can peel some hard-boiled eggs.
Yes, that's what everyone wants in their life.
Why you sell it former slave owner? Do it first prize. Now listen, the art of disguise is what we need to get into the party in order to find the kidnapped scientists before they're forced to create something that will destroy the United States. You and I have been handpicked by the president himself. Our freedom is at stake.
The art of disguise, Gordon. That night at Fat Cans, it wasn't a difficult task to see that you weren't a woman.
That was a proposition for a free man.
You look nasty.
Freedom, just